Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid Ali Haider, your real estate partner here in Istanbul, Turkey. मेरी आईटी टीम ने जब मुझे मेरे चैनल के फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स शेयर किए तो मुझे देखकर झटका लगा। इसमें दो खबरें थी, एक अच्छी और एक बुरी। अच्छी ये थी कि मेरे रीसेंट वीडियो के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा व्यूअरशिप आ रही है, सब्सक्रिप्शन आ रही है। इसके लिए मैं आप तमाम दोस्तों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। लेकिन बुरी खबर यह है कि 74% व्यूअर्स वो हैं जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया और वो वीडियोस देख रहे हैं। तो आपसे हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि जब आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये है कि ये वीडियो आपके फायदे के लिए है, तो लिहाजा आप चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। उससे मुझे अर्निंग का कोई लालच नहीं है, बाखुदा मुझे सिर्फ ये है कि जब चैनल मोनेटाइज होगा तो ये वीडियोस ज्यादा लोगों तक जाएंगी। जब ज्यादा लोगों तक जाएंगी तो ज्यादा लोगों का फायदा होगा। अगर नहीं यकीन तो आप मेरे उन क्लाइंट से फीडबैक ले लीजिए जिन्होंने मेरे थ्रू इन्वेस्टमेंट की, प्रॉपर्टीज बाय की, सिटीजनशिप हासिल की और आज वो कितने मुतमिन और खुश हैं, उसका रिजल्ट आप उनसे डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। लिहाजा आपसे हम्बल गुजारिश है कि अभी जो है वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। First of all, I would like to thank all of you just because of your appreciation and your love for my videos and for myself. Today, as usual, I'm going to record a new video for you people in the very center location of Istanbul, Turkey. That is called Besiktash. For Besiktash, I always do say that it is actually a nightlife area. So in this touristic place, we got a very beautiful project for you people that is also suitable for citizenship, but I'm not gonna tell you the whole details by my mouth. I'm just going to introduce you people, Mr. Ali. How are you, Mr. Ali?
I'm fine. Thank you for coming to our project.
Thank you so much for your invitation.
You're welcome.
I'm going to ask a few questions about this project from Mr. Ali, and he can answer us so we can learn the beauty of this project as well as the amenities and the prices and particularly the apartment sizes and square meter. So let's start from the very first question.
Of course.
I know that this construction company is a GYO company.
Yes.
And it's a big construction company, and you got some other projects in different locations with the same name. So first of all, I would like to request you, can you please introduce your construction company?
Of course. Our construction company is Kilergeyo. Kilergeyo is a construction company that you can buy its stock in Turkish stock market, and our stock has risen more than 50% from last year. The construction company is the same construction company that built Safir Towers, one of the most
Safir
famous
Tower,
buildings in Istanbul.
and the highest, tallest building as well.
Yes, they already have 4 or 5 ongoing projects, and they have completed more than 6-7 projects already.
Mashallah.
Yeah, and now they're focusing a lot on this project, so we are going to deliver this project very soon, hopefully.
So after this construction company, I would like to learn about this project. So can you please give us a precise details about this project?
Of course. So our project is Referans Beşiktaş. It's located in Besiktash, Abbasa Mahallesi. As you know, Besiktash in Istanbul is the heart of Istanbul.
Yeah.
So Besiktash was the center of Istanbul from almost 7,000 years ago.
7,000 years ago?
Yes.
So it's a historical city.
It's a very historical location. But beyond being historical, it's one of the most luxurious locations in Istanbul. Every luxury brand that you can think of, when they want to come to Istanbul, they're going to come to Besiktash. Rolex, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Ferrari, any luxury brand that you can think of, their first store is going to be in Besiktash. Even Bebek is a part of Besiktash. We all know Bebek is one of the most luxurious areas in Istanbul. It's a part of Besiktaş. Kurçeşme, Every luxury place you can think of in Istanbul is near Besiktash. Nişantaşı is 5 minutes away walking distance from our project. Our project is less than a kilometer away from Bosphorus. We all know Istanbul as Bosphorus. Yeah, we are less than a kilometer away from the Besiktash Eskala, which is located by Bosphorus. Our project is 18,000 square meter in the project area, which is really hard to do in this location.
Yeah, in this location, it is a big, actually, square meters.
Of course, because there are no empty lands in the location. The way our construction company could get the land is a work with the government, because government had this land. So our construction company approached them and give the idea to make this project here. So we made this project here. This project consists of 10 blocks.
10 blocks.
Yes.
Good.
5 blocks belong to the government because they were the owner of the land. The Turkey company. And 5 blocks are for sale by us. The 5 blocks that are for the government are not going to go for sale, never.
I got it.
Yes, they're going to be for a governmental powers, governmental guests that come from other countries. They're going to stay in these 5 blocks. Their facilities are different. They don't have entrance to our project's green area.
Okay.
Their parkings are different. It's like 2 different projects completely.
So 2 projects in one actually project.
Exactly.
So Killer Gaio is having a collaboration with the government construction company, Turkey.
Yes.
So that's a very good thing. Look,
Yes.
I always encourage my clients that when you are going to buy an apartment for the purpose of citizenship or investment or for residence, do prefer the government construction company's apartment as well as the second option must be GYO companies.
Of course.
Because they have a good track record, and they're in such kind of projects you will be like living a preferable life, as well as you will be getting more returns on your investment.
Of course, and when buying from our construction company, you don't need expertise. Whatever price you buy the apartment for will be put on your title deed, because we are guaranteed by the government.
Yeah. So in these 5 blocks, how many floors you have in one block?
Our blocks are mostly 6 floors. One of our blocks is 5 floors, but we start from -3 floors. So we're actually 9 floors, but from the ground floor, we're 6 floors.
So in like basement 3 floors, you have your social facilities or car parking or something, or it is also available for residents?
It's available for the residents, because our Bakçakat floors kind of become like -2, -3.
I got it.
Yes.
And when we talk about the apartment sizes, what size do you have in this?
We have so much, we have from 1 bedroom to 6.5 bedrooms.
6.5
Yes.
in this area, Besiktash?
Yes.
Oh my God. Very big size.
From Bosphorus and sea view to inside the project view to city view, we have a lot of options. So we have options for every taste the customer is gonna have.
So what is the minimum size and the maximum
The minimum
size?
size for 1 bedrooms is 60 meters startings. The maximum size we have is 550 meters.
550. So
Yes.
I know that when you exceed from the size 250, there is a value added tax.
Yes.
So what about the price as well as the other, additional cost?
The additional cost is gonna be 2% title deed transfer fee, as every other project almost. There is a 1% KDV in our project for units that are under 150 meter net.
Okay.
The net is different from the gross. So
from the
we have
gross.
a few units that are more than 150 square meters net. They're gonna have a 20% KDV. But if it's your first time buying in Turkey, you can not pay
Get
that.
exemption.
Get exemption, exactly. And there is a less than 1% extra fees that we're gonna give you a fatura for all the fees.
I got it.
So in total, it's gonna be less than 4% for most of the units. For some units, there is a 20% KDV also, which you can usually get through.
I got it. So let me tell you, my audience, here is a new thing for your learning. When you are going to buy an apartment here in Turkey and the net area is more than 150 meters square, you must have to pay some, KDV, that is called value added tax, VAT. That is 8%, and sometimes it is 20%, sometimes is 25%. So you can get exemption from this value added tax with these three conditions. The first condition is your payment must be come to Turkey through remittance. It should be come here as a legal way, not as a hundi or hawala something. The second thing, it should be your first buying in real estate. The third thing, you did not get any residency card of Turkey before this buying. So if you got these three if you got these three things, you can get an exemption from this tax. So thank you. Now let me ask you about the social facilities and amenities about this project.
A very unique thing about our project in this location is all our units have storage units and parkings and terrace or balconies, because in Besiktash it's so focused, the buildings, they're so into each other. There is no place for parking for any of the neighboring buildings that we have. There is no parking. Our project is the only project in this area that has parking for all the units. We have one parking for 1+1s. From 1+1 more, we have two parkings for them.
Okay. For example, if it is 6+1, it is also having two parking.
Maybe three parkings.
Maybe
for
three.
6+1s, yeah.
Mr. Ali, you know that Besiktash is one of the most expensive areas of Istanbul, where per square meter price is so expensive, so high. So this area is also, very attractive for the rental income, because it is the touristic area and there are many universities here, and there are young people living in, they prefer to live in this area. So they are having always a shortage of rental properties. So do you think that this area is still having attraction to the rental income?
Of course. Our project, one bedroom, we can guarantee that when we deliver the home, the rental income is going to be more than $2,000 per month.
$2,000?
Yes.
So let my audience make a percentage. What is the price for this 1+1 apartment? Because then we can decide, okay, for example, this is the price and this is the rental income. So how much percentage it will be per annum?
Of course. So the price for one bedrooms starts from almost $600,000.
Okay.
The price for two bedrooms starts from almost $940,000.
Okay.
And our three bedrooms, $1,190,000.
Okay. So for example, it is $600,000. So is there any cash payment discount for the buyer?
The price that I gave you is like the last price for cash.
Okay.
Yeah. Discount we can give is like maybe $10,000 more discount for the cash. We have also a payment plan. For one bedrooms, we have a 50% down payment and you can pay the rest in 12 months. And for more than one bedrooms, we have a 50% down payment and you can pay the rest in 24 months. And for your special customers, we can also negotiate about the payment.
Thank you so much. So it means we are getting like 4% per annum or 4.5%. So normally in Istanbul, Turkey, the rental income per annum is between 4 to 5% per annum. And
also, let me tell you that our project has all the social facilities you are going to need, like swimming pool, gym, yoga salon, even a special cafe restaurant inside the project only for the residents of the project.
Okay, that's an addition to the other facilities. So when we talk about the accessibility, what kind of transportation is here in this area?
No, we are in the heart of Istanbul, actually in the heart of Istanbul. There is a metro station less than 3 minutes away from the project. It's the Yıldız metro station. We have all the best universities next to our project, like Bahçeşehir University.
Yeah, it is very, very next to your project.
Exactly. We are, I told you, less than a kilometer away from Bosphorus. So you can go to Beşiktaş Eskale and take sea taxis and go to every place in Istanbul that you need to go. We are 5 minutes away from the bridge that connects us to the Asian side. So you can easily access Asian side too.
And most famous area of Istanbul, that is Taksim. So how
Yes.
far it is from your project?
Taksim is almost 5 minutes by car. Yeah, and
5 minutes.
Nişantaşı is 10 minutes walking distance from us.
Yeah. So when we talk about the citizenship, as you told earlier that there is no need for expert report. When we will be getting the title deed transfer and when we will be getting the conformity report? How long it will take in total?
Than a week.
Less than a week.
Of course. Our project doesn't need any expertise, so the speed of everything is so fast. You pay the money, you notarize it, and then we'll start everything.
So title deed is not ready yet?
Title deed is ready.
Title deed is ready.
Of course,
Okay.
yeah.
So would you like to give one message to my audience why they should buy in here and why should invest in here? What is the key selling point of your project?
Of course, the key selling point for a project is, of course, the location. Besiktash Abasa is a location that you can't find any other projects in with this much of a big square meter. You can find mostly like maybe 1 blocks, 2 blocks. You are not going to have a green area as you have in our project. We have like almost 30% green area for every unit that we have. Yeah. And your accessibility to everything. You have the best restaurants, best cafes, best bars near your home. You are 5 minutes away from everything you are going to need. Your neighbors are going to be some of the most awesome and valuable people in Turkey.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
When you talk about the bars, also we are fasting, so we cannot talk about the bar. But I see every time there are plenty of bars in this area. When you come in the evening, you can see everywhere the young people. They are like going to the bars and they are enjoying their life. So I hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends and family who are interested to invest here in Istanbul, Turkey. And if you didn't subscribe the channel, please do subscribe and push the bell icon because we are going to record the videos for you people. Thank you.